Alright, so this is Project Cheap Jeep. Just put the Lexen tint kit on it. I think it was $50 for the whole kit, all the windows except for the windshield. The kit was the pre-cut, and it was actually cut really well. The triangle windows, I got the placement a little off, but other than that, that was my fault. But for the most part, these windows are super old and I didn't clean them the best, so that's why there's a bunch of little dots and stuff, but that's not the tints issues. But yeah, it's lined up really nice. There's no light gaps or anything, stuff like that. Really nice tint, easy to apply and stuff like most tints. But it doesn't really fold over too bad, except for in the back. This window was my fault. I got some weird chicken bone stuff going on here, wishbone, because I tried doing it in the wind and it creased over a little bit too much. But the cool thing is, my wife lifted her Jeep and we had these stickers laying around, so that covered up some of it. So that gave it a nice little touch and hid my imperfections. Told her she should make me a wishbone sticker to put here and you wouldn't even know that I messed up, but she's got to give a cricket up for that. And the one thing is weird too, I don't know if you can cut glass with a knife, but I don't remember that cut being there, but there's a cut on the window. But they really line up really nice and stuff. Even back here, you know, it just sits in there and you can see I didn't clean the top. So, yeah, there's another one. I didn't clean the top. I should have took a razor blade up here. I didn't do that. I have extra sets of windows laying around. I just didn't want to pull these out right now, so maybe next year or something I'll just pull the windows out. But the fronts are perfect. It's just the back three where there's some more of the issue. But it's really, it looks really nice. Keeps it nice and, you know, dark in there. And then the truck, I put a video on there. That one's sealed really nice, perfectly lined up easy on the back windows. But just want to show you that in the daylight and the next day how well it turned out. I think she had a visor on her Jeep. I think we might put it on this one, just because without the stickers here and stuff, it seems like the Jeep's too open up here, I guess, is what we're used to. So might throw a visor on it, but it looks really nice. So in here you can see, you know, it's nice. There's no gaps anywhere. The only thing, like I said, and I think I shoved it too far over in the groove here, so I got a little bit of upward gap right here. But I think if I would have snuck it over and actually taken time, it would have worked out perfectly. But otherwise, I mean, these windows are nice. And even on the back one, sorry, the back door doesn't open the best. But you can see, even on these back windows, you know, it's all nice. No light gaps really or anything. And it's just nice. The one thing I did with this one, just to speed up the process, I don't know if in the instructions it says to do it, but I used her hair dryer because I don't have a heat gun, but I used a hair dryer just to heat up the tint and get it to cling to the window faster on the little spots, like there'd be little bubbles down here or something. So I got that to flatten out, so now it looks really nice. But yeah, it's really nice turnout. Truck, you can't really see it in the video, but yeah, it's right up to where it needs to be. And this one was nice. I only did the rear three because on the sides I had the, you know, you'll have the where the window goes and stuff like that. So I wanted to see how these worked out. These three were perfect. The Jeep was perfect. Highly recommend. I mean, it fit around. You tell them what you got, they cut it around it. It's cool. They gave you extra tint on the outside, like it's just the roll and they cut it. So they give you extra tint. So actually what I'm doing, and I already tinted one, is I was going to tint the front door windows on my house. And I actually went ahead and did one, my cool pink front door, but I got extra tint. So now we're gonna have tinted windows on those and then those ones. So that'll be nice.